So here at Rising Sun we fit the rib bed, and that's available in a couple of different widths. This one here is the 112cm width. It's available in a 120, a 120 with 3 seats, a 130 and a 150. And we're going to show you how that works now. There's lots of different vinyl upholstery, leather upholstery or cloth, and we can match that up to your front seats as well. So this is the rib bed from Scopima. This is an M1 crash tested bed. It's also got ISOFIX points for the kids seats as well. If you need to use those, you just need to undo these little zips at the back there. And we're going to show you how this works now. So you've got integrated headrests in the top there, so just make sure those are down before you try and make the bed, and they just push up from this way upwards. And to make the bed, we're just going to grab this little strap on this side here, pull that up, put our hands in the middle of the seat, and then rotate that all the way over. Then we're going to release this handle, check that that's locked into place, and then we can do the backrest part. So once you make sure the headrests are down, you're going to pull this metal bar across the centre and then fold this seat down. You can then push that so it's flat. This back cushion can then be reclined if you want to have a sit up and have a read or something like that, or it can be pushed the lever down on the side, set up in the sleeping position. If you're fortunate enough to have a nice little view, you can also do the same on this side and recline this end by just pushing that, and you can sit up, look over the lake or the beach, wherever you may be. To put it back up, we're going to drop this one, make sure that's locked in again, and we're going to grab these lashing points on top of the bed, pull that up, and then we're going to wait till that clicks into place, check that's done, make sure that back cushion is not too far up, which is going to prevent you from putting that middle cushion up. Pull this, flick it over, and then if you wanted to use the seat belts, just pull them out from the side and use them as normal. Another great thing about the rib bed, it gives you plenty of storage at the back, and we'll take you around and show you that now. So the good thing about the rib bed is you've got plenty of storage at the rear. You can either use it as a parcel shelf and pop all your stuff up on the top here, or stack your crates up high. And if you have got seats and stuff like that, you can also store that in the back. And you can do that because this back cushion goes all the way up. So that pushes all the way up there. So you can store, if you have tents, push chairs, golf clubs, they can all store up in the back there. Another good thing about the rib bed is, with your bedding, if you have a fitted sheet over here, all you need to do is roll your fitted sheet back onto this cushion so you can make the bed. So you haven't got to hide your bedding anywhere. All your bedding can just sit on this back cushion here, and then you've got your seating area ready to go.